Do you know these people who always look stylish, effortless every day? Like they don't even try, but somehow their outfits just always works. Well, today I'm gonna tell you their secrets. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you love effortless, stylish outfits and a wardrobe that actually works for you, you are in the right place. Today I'm sharing 5 common fashion mistakes most probably you're making and they're stopping you from looking this effortlessly chic. Trust me, I've done these mistakes as well, see them all the time. But fixing them is actually easier than you think. If you want level up your wardrobe, your style and always look put together, elegant and effortless, then stay until the end. I will give you a bonus tip that just makes a huge difference in your style. And by the end of this video, you will know how to elevate and improve your style. Let's go. Neglecting your basics. This is the first one, and oh my god, I'm saying that all the time. Other creators are saying that all the time, and I still see how many people neglect their basics. And I totally get it. Shopping for a plain t-shirt is not much fun, and I know this feeling when you go to the store and you see something on the website which is so colorful and pretty and statement, and you're like, oh wow, I'm gonna look so fabulous on this one, and you grab it and you're so happy about that and you wanna share it with your friends and family, and they also gonna tell you, wow, that's such a good purchase, and then this beautiful piece ends up to be sitting in your wardrobe because you have nothing else to pair it with. Let me know in the comments below how many of us have done this mistake, and be honest, because I know you did it as well. So I hope with this example I explained you that why it is so important to have your basics figured out. And if it's something that you have problem with or you don't know where to start, then have a look on this video where I basically narrowed down to these 8 pieces which you should have in your wardrobe, and that will cover your basics. Okay. Next one is not understanding the colors. Color is actually something that may be a bit tricky to get, but it can really break your outfit. Even if we talk about monochromatic outfits, let's say you want to have a total gray monochromatic outfit, but your grays are just totally from a different universe and they do not match together, and this is why your monochromatic look not gonna work, because even if it's one color, having it in different tones which do not match together is a deal breaker. And I'm not saying you to do the professional color test or these very popular Korean color tests. It's cool if you can, and if you want to do that, sure, go for it, but you don't need to. You do need to understand that colors also have the warmer and colder undertones, and I think one of the biggest mistakes which sometimes people do, they try to mix perfectly good pieces in the cold and warm tones together. In my opinion, that doesn't work. It's not like it looks really horrible, but you feel that something is off, and most probably this is because of the colors. There are 2 types of colors. Some of them are going in contrast and some of them are complementary, and if you would like to know more about that, then just go and Google the color theory. I'll see if I can find any links which I can share with you. But yeah, just spend like 10 minutes to understand that. It's not even about which color suits to you, it's more about which colors fits and mix together in your outfit. Once you have figured that out, try to keep these rules that you only have colors which looks together in your outfit. The third one is ignoring proportions, and this one is, well, one that people love to avoid and neglect, and I see it all the time. It's like colors and proportions, one of the most important things in the styling, and this is what makes your outfits look so effortless and chic. Usually you're either going too tight, having the tight tops and skinny leggings wherever, or you're going to oversize, having the bulky sweaters and the bulky jeans all together with bulky shoes, and you just look like one big kind of bulky round ball. I don't mean to be offensive. And I will just show you now the example. I have this very beautiful chunky sweater which I love, and my favorite jeans, you've probably seen them so many times if you follow me on Instagram or if you subscribe here on my channel, and both of these pieces are totally fine by itself. They're great, but they just do not go together that well. Nothing is completely wrong with this outfit, especially if you also pair it with the chunky boots, but something just doesn't look as effortless and chic, right? So how do you change that? So the easiest thing you can do here is basically swap one of the bulky pieces in your outfit. For example, I'm gonna swap with this sweater for something more slimmer top. It's a knit, but it just feels a bit more fitter. So straight away you have a proportion in your body. And ideally I would also swap these bulky shoes for something more lighter, pointy. In this case, I will show you the ballet flats, but it also can be a pointy boot. So wherever, as far as it more on a slimmer side. This straight away creates your proportion slimmer, bulky, slimmer, which makes your outfit more interesting and it feels more effortless because everything you have is just simple jeans and a knit, but it just looks a bit easier and better together than if all of your pieces are bulky and oversized. Playing with proportion is a key, so I would strongly recommend you to learn a bit about that and find which proportions suits you best. Okay, number 4, and this is forgetting to accessorize. I said it before, accessories can make or break your outfit. I think the key for the chic, elegant, effortless look is not to overdo them. I would say if you only would like to have one accessory or you just want to buy one accessory this season, then make it a belt. Because first of all, belt is functional and there is lots of affordable versions on the market, and it's also such an easy and subtle way to add more interest to your outfit, make it more sophisticated, more polished, but at the same time it is just one accessory. You don't need to think about, oh, if these earrings are too statement or they're too for evening, all of that. No, just add a belt and you're gonna look already so much more put together. Truly, it can completely transform your look. And I also have an example for you. As you can see, I'm wearing a simple white t-shirt with the same jeans, sneakers, nothing more, nothing less. And if I'm just gonna add a belt, it looks like I put an effort there. It looks like I thought it through also. It makes it more statement. So you put an effect on a waist, which adds tiny bit more proportions to your outfit. And yeah, you can add a blazer here, and here is your more sophisticated everyday look. Here you go, very easy. Okay, number 5, and this is definitely ruining your outfit if you're trying to wear these pieces. These are the loud prints, graphics, glitter, wherever, shorts and so on. If you would look on celebrities or well-dressed people, fashion icons, wherever you like to follow, you would never see them wearing pieces like that. If you would like to look more elegant, then you should avoid this loud graphics, too much embellishment, heavy decorations, slogans. They attract attention. It's just really difficult to style them in a classic, elegant look. Yes, of course, sometimes the sequins and embellishment can work, especially for evening occasions, but if you will have a closer look on them, you will see that usually they work more like a pattern. They do not create, let's say, some kind of flowers or some kind of graphic in them. It's more just like a full pattern, and this is what makes it so unique and so interesting, because it plays around more with texture, with the overall color and structure. They're just more stylish, more well designed, but they are not in a form or shape of a picture or something like that. So these were my top 5 biggest fashion mistakes and how to avoid them. And if you avoid them, that would instantly improve your style, I'm sure about that. And I promise you a bonus tip. The bonus tip is very easy. This is take pictures of yourself, of your outfit, especially if you're just starting out and you're just learning about the style, the proportions, the colors, all that, and you would like to experiment, because you have to experiment, otherwise you will never find what truly suits you. Then take a picture of that. Also, when you look at yourself at the picture, you might see something you do not see when you look on yourself in the mirror, because you have a different angle, and so you can see that some things might suit you better, some things might suit you worse. You can also see better in colors what color suits you better, which one doesn't, and from here you can work and experiment more and see and learn about yourself as well. And also, if you're not sure about the look, you can make a picture of that and you can send it to your friend or family and ask if that's something you like to do. I mean, why not? So actually I have a question for you. Let me know know which of the fashion mistakes are you guilty of. Maybe you have something else to add to my top 5, or maybe something you see all the time and it's so annoying and you don't understand why people are doing that. So yeah, let me comment below, let's talk about that. If you would like to learn even more about how to improve your style without spending too much money, I recommend you to check this video where I talk what you can do to improve your style and your outfits, your look, how to be more elegant without actually buying anything. Before you go, if you found this video interesting and useful, subscribe to my channels and comment, because truly your feedback is really important for me. This is how I can improve my videos. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in my next fashion videos. Bye!